Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can connect your account on ClickUp with your Slack workspace really quickly to use both accounts with each other. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. Head over to ClickUp, make sure that you're logged in with your associated account, and also make sure that you're logged in with your account on Slack simultaneously. So what you want to do, guys, is head back to ClickUp, and here on your home screen, what you want to do is click on your profile icon in the top right and select settings from the drop-down menu. Inside your settings, guys, pay attention to the panel on the left hand side and switch from My Settings to App Center here at the top, and simply go through that list of featured applications here in ClickUp's App Center. If you don't see Slack, simply use the search apps search bar here in the top right corner. However, guys, as you can see, Slack should be placed here in the featured section. So simply select Slack here and click on Connect Next to connect your both accounts. After that, Google Chrome or Slack will ask you via Google Chrome or your Chrome browser to connect both accounts, your Slack as well as your ClickUp account, and also ask you for permission to do that. So give the permission if you like by clicking on Allow here. And after that, you will be redirected to this overview here, guys. So as you can see, your both accounts, your ClickUp as well as your Slack account have been synced with each other, as well as all activities and channels, so that you may, for example, exchange information between your account on ClickUp with your workspaces on Slack and vice versa. For example, you may create tasks directly from Slack and have them listed here in your workspace on ClickUp. And that's basically it, guys. Confirm by clicking on Done here at the bottom. And that is going to do the job. As you can see, both accounts has been connected. You see the connected and associated account on Slack here. And you'll see also the option to connect another account. If you have a second account on Slack, you may do that as well. And here inside Slack, guys, you will see here on the left hand side under apps, you will see ClickUp as one of the linked applications with your workspace. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.